Too late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives, cat rides, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it 'cause you love me to bits. Late nights dancing our place. I could get used to this. I thought it would scare me. I thought it would scare me to let you in, but I was paper thin. You saw right through me and I gave in. My mind was occupied, man, I was on a high. I could run forever to get a minute, just a minute of your time. If this is what it's like, I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives, cab rides, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it 'cause you love me to bits. Late nights dancing our place. I could get used to this. Taking the good with the bad.
Morning, guys. It's another day, another vlog, and it's currently July 12th, 8:24 a.m. And as you can see, nakaayos ako ngayon kasi we're gonna go pickleball. First time namin magpi-pickleball, guys. So, iva-vlog ko. Kasi first time nga namin. So, iva-vlog ko. And right now, mag-upload yung bagong vlog na tinapos ko kagabi. Na natapos ng mga 3 a.m. And anong oras ngayon? 8:24. So, naghahanap ako ng ways para ways. Naghahanap ako ng ways kung paano di ma-burn out sa I mean, gusto ko yung weekly vlogs pero paano ko siya magagawa na hindi ako mabu-burn out, gets ba? So yun lang naman. Baka, I don't know, hindi ko pa alam, hindi ko pa siya nafi-figure out, but let's see. Bye guys, see you in the court.
Handshake that, handshake.
Handshake.
French handshake.
Okay.
Handshake, it's nice. The handshake one. You guys,
Guys, nandito na kami sa pickleball court. Nagkasapatos na lang ako right now. Pinauna ko na silang bumaba. Kasi, di kasi ako sanay mag-drive ng nakasapatos, guys. So, kailangan, pag magsasapatos ako, you on the spot or di ako yung nagda-drive. Hindi ko rin alam bakit ganun, guys. Pero sabi ni Shin, mas comfortable daw mag-drive ng naka-shoes. Pero, I can't do that. So, we gotta do what we gotta do. Dun tayo sa may safe tayo. Gusto ko yung malipis lang. Pero ang weird, guys, kasi kapag platform sandals, nakakapag-drive naman ako na maayos. Di ko alam bakit ngayon hindi. Pag shoes, hindi ako nakakapag-drive na maayos. Anyways, our agenda for today is mag-pickleball, mag-lunch, and I think yun lang naman yung agenda ko for today's video. Yun lang naman, guys. So, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye! PRB! Hi guys. So this is the afternoon. Hindi na ako nag-vlog ng naglalaro kasi wala naman kayong matinong laro. So, wag na lang. Ang sarap pala mapawisan. Kailangan ko na tuwa mapawisan. I think gusto ko pa matuto. nagpapahinga muna ako. Grabe guys, ang init. Nakikita niyo ba yung sweat ko? Anyways, init guys. CRD. I'm gonna update you guys later. Hi guys! Another day, another matcha. Wow! Parang lahat ng vlog ko may matcha. Anyways, ang sarap nito guys. Whisk Milk. If you're taga San Fernando or what, buy here.
I like it
Masarap.
better than Mizu.
Oh, mas gusto niya daw kasi sa Mizo. Eh, yung Mizo commercialized na siya, so...
Yeah.
Mm.
Ano lang, yung binili kasi ni Ate Bea, it's sea salt. Yung
Yes.
salt talaga nila na taste mo, hindi siya cream na salt. Using ka ng 8 or like 7, tas starting yung pagising mo, may ginagawa ka na, parang ang dami mo nang ginawa, parang 2 days na yung ginawa ko ngayon.
True. So productive.
Tapos mag-mall pa kami.
Yes. We're gonna buy clothes.
Mag-i-SM pa tayo. Ang dami naman naming nagawa ngayon. Ngayon pala ako gumalaw ng super ng Sunday.
Tapos next, dapat lagi tayong ganito.
Oh, dapat starting.
Alam mo, di pala siya sea salt. Ang pangalan niya salty.
Kaya pala eh.
Try natin yung iba next time.
Okay, so masarap nga siya kasi di naman siya sea salt. Salty matcha siya.
Wait lang, check ko.
So nagawa nga niya yung job niya na salt siya.
Wait, let me check kung anong...
Guys, dapat starting next.
Ay, oo, salty. Oh, salty.
Dapat
Uy,
starting
meron
next
silang ube
week.
matcha, oh, tsaka bula. May yung classic ko matcha.
Maaga na kami nagising.
Hi guys! So, we're gonna haul
Kala ko ba
our Uniqlo. Ikaw na mauna.
Okay.
Ay, sige, go.
So this is my first one.
First is...
Pajama with
Go.
matching. Where's my this?
Top.
Yes.
Next,
I open later. Next is Monchichi t-shirt.
couple sila dyan ni Sophia.
Yes. And last but not the least, it's a punk top. Pero iba siya. Iba yung ano
It's
niya.
like this.
Yes, it has ruffles. Sleeveless top. Heck yeah.
Tapos ka na?
Yes.
Next is, I got this sa sale section, guys. This is 34 brown. Women easy pants. And guys, naka-sale na lang siya na $5.90. And grabe, ang ganda, di ba? Ganda ng color combination. May pink, may brown, may purple. So nice. Tsaka guys, sobrang comfortable ng ganito. Next is this one. Yung blue version ng brown one. And halos nang kinuha ko guys, linen pants. Kasi ang ganda ng linen pants nila. Meron na ako ng blue version nito before. And ang ganda ng quality guys. And super presko. So, perfect na perfect sa humid weather ng Pilipinas. And this is so good. And this is in the size medium parehas. Next, another pants. Another linen pants. Women linen blend easy pants. So this is linen blend. Ito di ko alam kung linen to guys, pero easy pants yung description niya. Pero whatever, it's still maganda. Ito meron na akong ganito na dark color blue. Ay hindi, navy blue color. And nasuot ko na siya and super comfortable niya guys. So I decided to buy another one na ibang kulay kasi dalawang colors lang naman sila. So ayun. And lastly, girl, this one.
Ow.
Meron na akong ganito before, yung color white na parang innerwear siya. So, tas nag-add sila ng V-neck camisole. So, I bought one and it's in the size medium. Ito naman guys, wala pa kasi yung gantong color. Eh, sabi sa color analysis, bagay ko daw yung navy blue. So, tignan natin kung bagay ko.
This is mine. Outside the packaging.
Shucks, matching pa tayo.
Outside the packaging. Matching Matching?
Ba yan?
Mine is white.
Mine is blue. Ang ganda! Perfect!
Perfect.
Perfect. For
And-
the...
Yes.
Ang ganda ng pagkalis niya, guys, oh. I don't know.
Then this
Tsaka
is my other
$4.90
one.
lang to, guys. Pwede na.
This is my other one. Na katira na to.
loungewear.
Yes.
So that's all for our Uniqlo haul. Bye guys. Bye. Thanks, Mom. Good morning, guys. It's currently 7:02. I have 15 minutes to eat. And I eat pandesal, hot pandesal, and egg. I have here my scrambled egg. Alam niyo ba guys, ang aga ko nagising, like beyond pa sa alarm ko. And nakaligo ko beyond sa alarm ko. So proud of myself, y'all. First bite. I'm gonna break the guys later. I'm back with mga alas 2. Ayun, it's too early. Ano na ako kakalala sa class na yun. So, andito ako sa pabas. And mag-CR ako saglit before ako pumasok doon. And starting today, ang ganap ko is uwian na talaga ako, like officially. Kasi tatanggalin na yung aircon today. So, fingers crossed na mag-work siya sa akin. Hindi ako super mapagod. Pero patapos na rin naman yung term, guys. So, konting lang and kaya ko po. So, I'm gonna update you guys later kapag medyo comfortable na ako sa environment ko. So, for now, you're...
Finally, please do relate to how we use our goods and resources. So, many people will say there are more principles of Catholic social teaching, but I think these are the most important ones. And when we come together next week, when we begin to do business ethics, or we want to start that today, then we're going to say this first. Can your mind still absorb something? Or still no? That's it for today. Okay. Yeah, so go ahead next.
Ano to? Once in a
Hi
week.
guys, so now we're going to Glorieta kasi nasira yung Birkin niya. Mas nakakainis kasi yung akin din nasira, yung Kelly ko naman. Tapos siya, bibili siya ng Chanel, tapos naingit siya.
Channel 25.
Chanel 25.
25.
Nahanap namin yung parang leopard print,
Yes.
pero wala daw kasi sa SM Aura. So now we're going to Glorieta to buy one.
Bye guys. Uwi na kami.
Ay, wait. I also want to see. Meron kasi akong biniling lipstick sa Dior. Tapos hindi ko pa nakashake.
Guys, I wanna go home now. Can we go home now?
Ay, gagawin niya lang. Bag, sa kasana, Shein, tsaka... Ano yan? Pincheck na, pincheck. Dali.
Tops from Shein, pants from Uniqlo, Alberto.
Bag, shoes from whatever. Chanel, Balenciaga, Dior.
Pwede po nakikita.
For uwi na tayo. Dami ko sinocialize ngayong araw. Mga nasa 5. Yun na yung pinaka-biggest socialization ever ko ngayong time. Bro.
Guys, so I'm back in my room and right now, may gagawin tayo na hindi ko alam anong tawag dito guys, pero gawin na lang natin. Ang gagawin ko is i-compile ko lahat ng reklamo o isa reklamo, pero lahat ng concerns ng course namin about Dean's Lister is i-compile ko. Gawa na lang. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko guys is i-compile ko na sila para bukas kung may hahabol man. Name, ID number, concern, screenshot. So, lagyan natin ng orange. Alam nyo guys, sobrang arte ko pagdating sa table talaga. As in, kailangan naka-justify, 1.5. So, ayun. Wala tayong gagawin kundi mag-inarte. Pero, alam nyo ba na hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko.
It's the next day me. And this is the only video I guess na mapapanood nyo sa araw na to kasi wala akong ginawa. But while editing this video, kasi nag-edit ako right now, na-realize ko guys, wala pala yung clip na gusto kong i-include dito sa vlog na to. And yesterday, I posted something on my dump account and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kasi baka mamaya may makarelate sa akin dito sa mga nanonood sa akin. And this quote, hindi alam ko hindi si Nika yung I mean Nika D yung gumawa but sa kanya ko narinig yung the price of community is inconvenience and ever since napanood ko yung vlog na yun guys, tumatak talaga siya sa akin. So, let me read what I wrote on my dump account. The price of community is inconvenience. I've been thinking about that a lot lately. Community asks us something of us. It asks us to show up, to make space for people, to give our time and energy even when it would be easier to stay in our own little world. Ever since my depressive episode, that price has felt much higher. Conversations that used to be effortless now take intention. Sometimes I need hours to recharge after interacting, even with the people I love. Today, though, I found myself talking to people I don't usually socialize with, and I wasn't overwhelmed. Maybe healing isn't measured by grand milestones. Maybe it's measured by moments like this, where connections feels a little less exhausting and a little more like home. Baby steps. I'm grateful because today reminded me that I am healing. The price of community may be inconvenience, but the reward is remembering that I am not meant to heal alone. So, ayun guys, yun lang naman yung sinulat ko kasi if you can see sa previous clips ko is I stayed a little while and socialized with my friends. Kahit na sinasabi ko doon na gusto ko nang umuwi, pero nagstay pa din ako. And for me, that's a big win kasi kapag alam ko kasing gusto ko nang umuwi, talagang uuwi ako guys. Like, I'd rather not to hang out with my friends. But I am grateful and I am blessed to have a friend na super maintindihan na hindi ko pa kaya makipag-socialize. So, kahit na gusto nila akong kasama, kung wala akong energy, hindi nila ipipilit. But yesterday, I showed up and stayed a little longer than before. And for me, that's a win. So, if you're watching this and you feel like being in your own bubble, being in your own world, I think it's time to go out a little. I'm not saying na umalis ka sa world mo agad-agad. But I think to show up little by little. Kasi alam ko namang hindi madali yan, guys. Meron talagang struggle. Kasi, mas comfortable naman, guys, kung nasa own little world. Ay, di ba? But the world is bigger than us. And ang dami pa nating dapat ma-explore, ang dami pa natin dapat maranasan, ang dami pa nating dapat ma-feel. So, this is your sign if you're watching this to go explore the world little by little. As I said, baby steps. So, that's all for my vlog entry today, guys. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Bye! pa naka-open yung mic cancellation neto, pero ayun, nasa Manila na ako guys and magla-lunch kami dito sa malapit sa atrium. And guys, guess what? Nahulog yung mic ko. Ano nangyari sa mic ko?
Natanggal yung cover.
All this time, ayoko yung mic na to. Like, nagsisisi akong binilin ko siya kasi hindi pwedeng default na nakaganto. So, kailangan ko siyang dalhin anywhere I go. Tapos, biglang may nahulog. Akala ko, ano yung nahulog? Akala ko sira na yung DJI mic ko. Kasi, girl, meron pa palang cover to. Bakit walang nagsabi sa akin na may cover pa pala to? Ganon. I look so dumb, bro. Like, hindi ko rin naman siya na-search. Tapos yung mga napapanood kong video sa TikTok is pinapalitan nila agad. So, hindi ko alam na may cover pa. So, check natin guys kung meron pang cover yung isa. By the way guys, it's currently 1:13, Friday, July 17. And we're in Mukata. We ordered noodles. Tapos mamaya mag-hotpot din kami. So, bro! What the? Nakakahiya ako. Anong gusto mong color?
Green for Lasal.
Taga-Lasal ka ba? Fake Lasal yan. Sige nga kung memorize mo yung hymn. Kung memorize mo yung hymn, sige nga. Bro, pwede pala to. Tapos sobrang flat. Pwede mong ilagay dito. Na naka-ready na may kulay. I feel so dumb, guys. Kasi ilang weeks kung inakala na yun na yun. Yung parang kailangan ko siya dalhin everywhere I go. Turns out, hindi pala, guys. Kasi meron dalawang clear na film. So, girl, I feel so dumb right now. As in, I feel so dumb. Kasi, akala ko all this time ma-attach lang siya kapag gagamitin ko na siya. Kung hindi pa siya nahulog today, hindi ko malalaman. Girl, I'm the dumbest person ever. Guys, we're now trying Hoshi House. Kasi fail yung last time ko guys yung last So ngayon, try natin ng Hoshi House. This is my second matcha of the day. Pwede pa mag-matcha mamaya. Grabe guys. Grabe yung try pa. Let's try. You order ko guys, sea salt cream matcha. So, kanto mo ba't ka na-traumatize sa matcha?
For clarification lang, hindi po ako nagsaslander Pero kita na yun. Yan. Hindi ko na nasabi alin dyan. Pero after ko inumin, sumuka ako 3 beses, tsaka tumae 3 beses. Do what you will with that information.
Hey guys, it's currently, I don't know what time is it, pero, it's currently 2:11 p.m. And yung klase ko is 2:40. So, pupunta ako ng classroom mga 2:30 p.m. And right now, nakaupo lang ako sa mga chairs outside. Pero nasa other side pa yung room ko. So, medyo may lakad pa. And wala, i-enjoy ko na lang tong view na to. Kasi I know naman na time will fly and onti na lang. Hindi ko na ito makikita everyday. And I feel like, guys, na parang china-channel ko yung inner AC Soriano ko. Kasi if you watch him before, dito din siya nag-aral. And ito yung building niya nung college siya kasi AB film siya. So, yung college niya is itong school na, itong building na to, yung SDA. So, favorite ko yung mga clips niya na nakaupo lang siya dito. Tapos, who knows, after how many years, dati pinapanood ko lang siya with Mamang Camille, Mamang CL, Mamang Celine, si Kat. Grabe, ang ganda ni Kat, guys. Pero, ngayon, isa na ako sa nag-aaral dito and I'm gonna be done in a few years. I don't know, pero Good morning, guys. It's currently 10:36 a.m. and we're currently in KFC. And alam niyo kung ano yung maganda dito sa mic na to? Pwede ako mag-pretend na kunyari nagpo-phone lang ako pero kinakausap ko na kayo, ganun. Kasi guys, nahiya pa rin ako eh. So, ganito na lang gagawin natin. Kasi nahihiya ako eh. So, yes. But right now, nandito kami sa KFC sa may College Point, guys. And we're gonna eat our early lunch. Kasi mamaya may community service. Hi guys! It's currently 8:26 in the evening. And as you can see, I am back sa Pampanga. And I'm with my special guest, guys. Charan! So guys, for today's video, it's already 7. So, hindi na ako makakapag-vlog masyado kasi guys, ang daming nangyari. But, yung community service, it's fun. And yung mga bata, grabe guys, sobrang inosente nila. Alam lang nila, 6'7". Hindi nila alam yung hirap pa ng buhay. Pero for sure naman, nararamdaman nila yon. Pero, sobrang inosente pa rin nila and sobrang jolly pa rin nilang lahat. So, medyo excited naman ako bumalik sa Sabado. Pero yun nga guys, parang sabi ko kanina, parang hindi talaga ako pwede sa mga ganun type ng work kasi ang bilis ko ma-attach. Kasi imagine mo kung teacher ka tapos hindi mo na sila makikita next school year, ganun. Parang ang sad. Anyways guys. Nag-matcha fest kasi kami, 'di ba? Tapos parang after namin mag-matcha fest, nag-try kami ng isang matcha. Tapos yung isang matcha binalikan ko pa ulit. Makikita nyo to sa vlog. And then, yung unang matcha na tinry ko, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. It's too bitter for my liking to the point na pati si Shein, nung pinatikim ko sa kanya, para ma-prove yung point kung hindi siya masarap, nagsuka siya. Ilang times ka nagsuka? 3. Coming from him. 3 beses siya nagsuka, tapos color green lahat yon. So, ayun guys. I need palate cleanse. So, nag-order ako kagad ng Whisk Milk na ube matcha. Pero hindi ito yung na-try ko last week, guys, na ube matcha. Yung na-try ko is salty yata, pero for a change, nag-try ako ng ube kasi ito yung first ube ko. And ang goal ko ngayon 2026 is makatry ng iba pang kind of matcha. Kasi lagi akong sea salt matcha with, ano yung pinapalagay ko sa Starbucks? Matcha with white mocha, ganon. So, for a change. And guys, ang in fairness kahit mura yung sa kanila, ang sarap talaga. So, if you're from San Fernando, specifically yung mga malapit sa capital, guys, you must try this one kasi ang sarap talaga. Imagine guys, ito 210 lang yun, ube matcha na. Kung sa Manila ko binili yun, siguro ube matcha na sa 270. So, ayun guys, see you next week. Or see you tomorrow kasi maglalaro kami pickleball. Bye guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here.